Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Luxe Angel, and today I have another unboxing, and I'm very excited. I'm gonna get right into it because we don't have much time. It just got delivered. All right. What's going on? But I did get this, I don't know. It's for some celebration that Louis Vuitton's doing. I don't know if it's the birthday or just for Christmas, but this is different than normal. But really, who cares? Let's just get into the item. Gosh, maybe I should have taken a picture of how pretty that was before. But oh well, here we go. So as you can see, it comes in this type of box, and maybe you can guess what it is. I'm so excited because I have wanted one of these for forever. Let's just open it. I'm trying not to be too long-winded because we got to go. And here it is. So this is the Louis Vuitton Pocket Agenda cover. And I'm really excited about this because I have wanted an agenda cover for a long time, and they're usually always sold out online. So this particular agenda cover is, again, the pocket agenda cover, so it's like the smallest or one of the smallest sizes. They have a mini, so I'm not sure if the mini or the pocket is smaller. But the reason I am glad that I got this, because originally I was thinking about getting the largest desk agenda, but I'm glad I got this because it can also function and serve as a wallet. You can put your checkbook in here, and it does have 3 card slots. You can put cash in here, and you don't have to fold it even if you don't put too much. If you put more than, you know, usual, then maybe you'd have to fold it. But so I plan on using this as an agenda, but also as a wallet. And I definitely went ahead and got the monogram because I do like monogram, and this will match my Alma BB in the World Tour edition. So I'm very excited. I didn't get it hot stamped yet. I'm gonna go in store and do that. But I just wanted to show you very quickly. This is what I got for my birthday, and it came really, really fast, even though I chose the Echo shipping. But again, this is the Louis Vuitton Pocket Agenda cover. Now the refills, I'm so glad I got it when I did. The refills are out of stock, but this was out of stock for the longest time. It was like a 3-day window where it was available, and I went ahead and I got it, and the next day after I ordered it, it was gone. So I don't know if I got like one of the last ones or what, but I'm glad I got it when I did, because now I have a functional agenda and wallet that can fit into my Alma BB. Okay, so that's what I got. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was very, very brief, but you know, gotta go. Should have charged up my camera or something like that. But you know, just an unboxing, who cares? All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.